Caring for your furnitures. Wooden furniture requires regular dusting, cleaning, varnish and waxing so as to keep its shine and to prevent damage to the furniture. Furnitures are prone to dirt and grease, that too, particularly wood furnitures from the environment. It starts slowly losing its shine due to loss of polish. Wooden furniture can get easily absorbs the oils or water, thus they can easily stain, especially if not polished and cleaned regularly. First of all, dust your furniture with normal cloth, then you can use warm water and mild dishwash soap to remove the dirt. Water would not damage your furniture, but be cautioned that you do not soak it. After a good cleaning, the best way to protect the finish is to use a good quality soft paste wax. Apply a thin coat as directed on a label. Wait 5 minutes and buff lightly with a soft shoe brush. Wait another 30 to 60 minutes and buff. Brush again with a bit more vigor. You'll see a beautiful shine return to the finish that will last for many months. Do not leave your furniture under sunlight, these would fade them and destroy them over time, and dry out and shrink the wood, which will cause cracks. Avoid placing the wood furniture near heating units or vents. Dry heat will cause the wood to dry and shrink, leaving cracks. For a quality finish, use the right color shoe polish on scratches and chips, to make them less visible on the feet of furniture. While polishing a metal hardware, remove it off from the furniture first. But make sure to mark the position, so that you can later identify where you need to fix it back. Use a quality metal polish to get it shining again. Non-toxic nature products for cleaning used wooden furniture. Although there are commercial there are products that are available at our home which you can use it for cleaning our wooden furniture. Such as vinegar, acidic in nature, it cuts through grease and grime and is great at removing oily stains and hard to remove greasy deposits. Lime juice, another acidic product with an action similar to vinegar with the positive of a great smell. Olive oil can be used to clean furniture, and the oil also leaves your wooden furniture with a great polish. Turpentine and linseed oil, the mixture is a powerful cleaner, it cuts through the grime and leave you furniture with a great polish. The only disadvantage is the pungent odor. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe, like and leave your valuable feedback in the comments. Thank you once again for watching.